Home System is back with a new camera, again with a retro vibe and again with a clear goal to evolve what already works. The OHM 5 Mark I was a beloved travel companion due to its compact size and weather sealing, and served as a nice bridge between entry level and pro level within the MFT system. Now the OHM 5 Mark II takes over. Many have been waiting for it, including me. Since my trip to Tunisia, it became one of my favorite MFT cameras. That naturally shapes our expectations, but if you were hoping for a big leap forward, this camera is no technical revolution, it's a functional comfort upgrade. This is why this video focuses only on the new features. It's a compact, hands-on video, not one of my epic photo adventures. This video is about what's actually new, what improvements make a difference in daily use, and why this might be a smart choice for fans and beginners alike. Let's go. The reason why I'm not covering image quality and performance in this video is simple. It's almost identical to the predecessor, and honestly I would feel a bit bad rehashing the same full review I already made for the Mark I. The 20 megapixel sensor and TruePic iX image processor are unchanged, meaning reliable, proven image quality with up to 30 frames burst mode. Which is nice. Image stabilization still delivers up to 7.5 stops of compensation. Impressive. Video remains good at up to 4K 30 frames with OHM Log 400 included, and the autofocus system still 121 phase detect points just like before. If you're looking for a cutting-edge performance, the OHM 1 Mark II is a better match. Or take a look at the retro-inspired OHM 3, which really impressed me under the crane houses of Cologne. So let's focus on what actually changed and where OHM System made this camera better. It's the little things that make the difference, especially when you are out in the field. Besides black and silver, there's now a new color. In product photos it looks champagne colored. In real life, it's more of a matte, sandy tone that reminds me of a camouflage paint. It fits the outdoors. It has a natural vibe. A smart choice. I like it. Do you? Please let me know in the comments. And keep in mind, this is currently a limited edition, so if you want it, don't wait too long. Ergonomics and handling also get a small refresh. The grip has been slightly redesigned and feels even better in the hand. It's more pronounced without losing the compact size. At 125 by 85 by 52 mm and 418 grams, the OHM 5 Mark II remains one of the lightest cameras in its class, making it especially practical for everyday use. It fits into any backpack, even small sling bags, hangs easily over your shoulder and stays comfortable to carry on longer trips. And you don't have to sacrifice durability. The weather-sealed magnesium body is protected against dust, splashes and frost. Perfect for all weather adventures. For outdoor photographers and travelers, the combination of size, comfort and ruggedness is a real asset. While this isn't new, one thing is. There's now a dedicated AF on button, ideal for anyone using back button focus. Also new, the custom modes can now be renamed, for example Portrait, Street, Astro or whatever fits your setup. This makes navigation easier and saves time, and for those who like consistent setups or shoot in different genres, the next update will be appreciated. The OHM 5 Mark II now includes a dedicated CP button like the OHM 3, giving you direct access to computational photography features like Live ND, high-res shot and HDR. One press is all it takes to access these smart features, no more diving into the deep menu layers. This really pays off outdoors. Live ND lets you shoot long exposures in daylight without the filter. Handheld high-res allows 50 megapixel photos without a tripod. Focus stacking is handy for macro shots, and having it all at your fingertips is a big deal. Speaking of which, the menu has been updated and now matches the clean layout of the OHM 1. Navigation feels faster and more intuitive. It's modern, and I bet many of you were waiting for this. With the new quick access system, you can pin your most used features in the My Menu tab by using the Rack button. If you shoot things like focus stacking or Live ND, you will appreciate this shortcut. Before we get to the practical upgrades in charging and video, let's take a quick look at the two key display elements of this camera, viewfinder and screen. The EVF still has 2.36 million dots. The touchscreen still has 1.04 million dots. Not groundbreaking, but functional. Both are bright and easy to read, and I'm glad the screen is still fully articulating for all kinds of angles. In this compact size, that makes sense. One long overdue upgrade is the new USB-C port. It allows you to charge the trusted BLS50 battery directly inside the camera, even with a power bank when you are out and about, or power the camera continuously, for example for time lapses. And if you want to use the camera as a webcam, you will love the plug-and-play setup. No extra software needed. For filmmakers and content creators, OM System has added two new picture profiles, OM Cinema 1 and 2, giving your footage a cinematic look straight out of camera. A nice option for those who prefer to skip color grading in post. Also helpful for self-recordings, interviews or vlogs. A red frame around the screen and a recording light on the front now clearly show when the camera is rolling. Simple but effective. OM System has also fine-tuned a few extra features that are easy to overlook, but incredibly handy. The new handheld assist shows how steady you are holding the camera, great for longer handheld exposures. A better face and eye autofocus indicator, already familiar from the OM One, helps track your subject more clearly. And when you're shooting in complete darkness, the night vision mode lets you compose your image without extra light, ideal for astrophotography. Sure, the OM 5 Mark II is no technical revolution, but it's a thoughtful evolution. All these new features don't change the image quality, but they make it easier and more comfortable to get great results, even in tricky situations. All in all, the camera feels like a trusted tool, just with more comfort, better handling and some smart tricks for everyday use, travel and creative photography. The OM 5 Mark II is made for anyone who wants a compact, weather-sealed and versatile camera that is easy to use, yet powerful enough for real photography. It's a reliable companion for outdoor shooters and travelers, a great second system for OM One owners, and a welcoming option for newcomers who find full frame too heavy, but still want quality and durability. Content creators benefit as well, thanks to its compact size, easy handling and video features, the cine profiles, the record light and USB webcam support. It's perfect for small setups or filming on the go. It doesn't aim to be a technical upgrade. It's a better tool with improved comfort, a clearer user interface and some nice new tricks when it matters. Some might miss a performance jump here, and that's totally fair, but OM System is offering something very fair here. At $12.99 for the body, referring to the German MSRP, the price stays the same to the predecessor. A solid move, especially considering the inflation. Plus, there's a launch bundle available with an extended warranty, additional battery and a binocular included. So if you want to know more, have a look in the video description, but I'm not sure if this launch offer is available in your country as well. Compared to cheaper MFT cameras like the G9 II or APS-C systems like the Fujifilm X-S20 or Canon EOS R50, this price might seem high. But the OM 5 Mark II stands out with its compact size, weather-sealed body, strong image stabilization and outdoor features that makes it especially attractive for mobile use. It's one of the few cameras in this class with IP rating, and it offers smart features like the night vision mode or Live ND filter, things you simply don't get in this price range elsewhere. The OM 5 Mark II is all about refinements. If that's what you're looking for, you get a lot of practical upgrades for the same price. And if you're still undecided, the limited color and the launch bundle make this package even more tempting. Will you go for it? Please let me know in the comments. This is Through the Poetic Lens, and I hope to see you in the next video.